Gonna go see if we need a waiver or something like that.
No, I'm just gonna go another way.
I'm about to run over Noah real quick, so if y'all wanna watch it happen on live, you know, it's about...
Over the car?
No, underneath. We're running him over all the way.
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Noah, and behind me is the most expensive G63 you could possibly get. AMG 4x4 squared. And here at Wheels Boutique, we want to see exactly how much clearance this car actually has. And we're going to do that by doing a first-person view of this car actually running me over. That way we can see exactly how those portal axles work that everybody's raving about. Behind me is an AMG 4x4 squared. And what that means is that it has more than enough clearance for all your adventures. What we have done to this car is, first of all, starting with the body kit, it has a Brabus Widestar body kit with some beautiful carbon fiber inlays. That includes the fender, the bumper, as well as the rear. And we have also done some wheels. What we have done here is an 1886 016 in a polished smoke. You're looking at 24 inches all around with some TSI off-road tires, you know, and this thing just has so much presence. But my favorite part has to be that Tiffany blue interior. And that thing is just absolutely stunning. With the Brabus B on the headrest, you can't go wrong. But now it's time to hear from you guys. Let us know what you think down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please give us a like. And always, a thumbs up.